Polynomials, CBSE Class 10 Maths, Chapter 2 Notes. Here are some important points. Polynomial comes from the word poly, means many, and nomial. In this case, the meaning is term. So it means there are many terms. A polynomial is made up of terms that are only added, subtracted, and multiplied. A quadratic polynomial in x with real coefficients is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers where a is not equal to 0. What is the degree? The highest exponent of the variable in the polynomial is called degree of polynomial. For example, 3x cubed plus 4. Here, the degree of this polynomial is 3. Polynomials of degrees 1, 2 and 3 are called linear, quadratic and cubical polynomial respectively. A polynomial can have terms which have constants like 3, minus 20, etc., variables like x and y, etc., and exponents like 2 in y raised to 2. These can be combined using addition, subtraction and multiplication but not division. The zeros of a polynomial p of x are precisely the x coordinates of the points where the graph of y equal to p of x intersects the x-axis. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, then sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b divided by a is equal to minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Product of zeros alpha beta equal to c divided by a is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. If alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0, then alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to minus b divided by a is equal to minus coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c divided by a, which is equal to coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d divided by a is equal to minus constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. Zeros alpha beta gamma follow the rules of algebraic identities, that is alpha plus beta bracket square equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Therefore, alpha square plus beta square into bracket is equal to alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha beta. Division algorithm. If p of x and g of x are two polynomials with g of x not equal to 0, then p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. The formula to remember here is dividend equal to divisor into quotient into plus remainder. I repeat, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remember this, if r of x equal to 0, then g of x is a factor of p of x. If r of x is not equal to 0, then we can subtract r of x from p of x, and then the new polynomial formed is a factor of g of x and q of x.